Thanks, Mike and Bill.
Thanks, Mike and Bill.
Thanks, Mike and Bill.
Mike and Bill is supporting Jerusalem Farm Project, which organizes youth and adults to come and do home repair projects in Kansas City, Pendleton Heights, and really we try to inspire volunteerism among neighbors and to build a stronger community.
I'm Julie.
And I'm Briar.
And we're here at Leota's building a ramp.
And a porch.
Woo! From the top?
Well, yeah, like to the string. But pull it.
Your game plan?
Yes, saved it.
Okay, great. I appreciate everything y'all doing. I need help. I'm a low-income person. I need help. And I appreciate the work y'all doing. Y'all doing excellent work.
We will be mobilizing around 300 volunteers in a year, working on over 20 to 30 homes in the year. But qualitatively, really we're inspiring people to continue doing service. Who's this guy?
Thanks, Mike and Bill.
Right now we're tearing down the ceiling so that we can fix it because birds are getting into the thrift store where the Little Sisters of the Poor take care of their stuff here.
We find that the youth that come here have a great time building relationships with those that they serve, but also using tools and things that they've maybe never done before, swinging a hammer. And they look back at the end of the week and they see the relationship that they've built, they see the physical ramp that they've built, and they're inspired to go on and continue serving others. We find that many of them come back year after year, or they maybe start volunteering in their own hometowns, or do a year or two of service after college, or maybe even find work in the nonprofit world.
Thanks, Mike and Bill.
Thank you, Mike and Bill.
From Spike and Bill, because of you I get to spend a week here in Jerusalem Farm helping people.
Thanks, Spike and Build!